Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. I feel like a broken record saying that every time. So let's just say good afternoon because it is afternoon. It's 2:45 in the afternoon. So good afternoon everybody, welcome back. Okay, so today's painting, all about that base. This is my fourth last painting. So I have 3 more after this one. And then I should be all caught up with videos and stockpiled videos for you guys. And I will be back in real time in the beginning of February. Okay, so you guys are probably watching this mid-January and close to end of January. I don't even know. But yeah, so I hope you guys are all having a good day. And so this is a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and my color that I'm going to be using today is Permanent Red Violet Light by Amsterdam. Fully opaque. See the square is fully colored in black. So fully opaque, okay? That is my color, and here is my paint mixed with water and Floetrol. There you go. And as usual, from what you know, obviously, all my edges on all my paintings are painted. It makes it easier to make sure there's nice coverage on the sides when I do my paintings. Okay, Pinterest color right here. This is my Pinterest idea palette for this one today. So the colors are going to be super pastel-y and interesting for sure. And they're actually all Arteza colors. So we are going to start with Pearl Golden Hour by Arteza. Then I have Pearl Tangerine Orange by Arteza. Then Pearl Lilac. You guessed it, it's Arteza. And then finally Pearl Pink. Arteza. So look at them. Don't they look pretty together? I feel like my camera is crooked. There we go. Isn't that nice? It looks just so pretty. And then here is my base coat, which is not Arteza, and flower hairdryer. So look at that. Isn't that interesting? This is going to be interesting for sure. So I'm going to put these back in the same order. You know the drill. I'm going to flood my canvas, and I shall be right back. Okay, everybody, ready to go here. Canvas flooded, bubbles popped, colors ready to go. I'm going to do a wispy on this one because I really think these colors are going to turn out super pretty. So I'm just going to stick with my wispy design. So let's get going. Wow. Look how pretty that color is with the hot pink. It's these are going to be really pastel-y type soft colors. This is going to be beautiful for a little girl, I'm sure, or that manly man, you know. Who knows, right? All right, let's see here. Lilac. Well, so far, okay, in the I don't know 22 videos, so like 18 videos, 18 videos I've done so far. Pinterest has not steered me wrong. The colors I have picked on Pinterest from their color palettes have worked out really well. So I'm telling you, if you're stuck or don't know what color goes with what, go to Pinterest. Check it out on Pinterest and just put hot pink color palette or, you know, pink color palette, and it'll bring up so many different things for you. And then when you find one you like, you just take that picture, go to your colors, and see what matches best with those colors. And I tell you, you'll end up with something very pretty. Okay, so let's, gonna start obviously in the middle. Let's see what happens. Let's get going. I'm excited. Now that is pastel-y. Is that even a word? Pastel-y? Sounds like some sort of pasta. Anywho, so I'm loving these colors. Super, super pastel. Now, I'm telling you, as the more I talk, I bet you cells are going to form because it's happening here. It's happening a little bit over here. I'm hoping it continues to happen a little bit more. I'm not really sure, but I don't know what happened. If no cells pop up here, it's going to be a little disappointing. I wonder, I don't want to torch it. I hate torching my paintings after I blow them out. There's a little bit happening over here actually right now. Something is forming there, but this formed beautifully down here. So I'm going to touch up my edges because there's nothing I want to do. I don't want to fix anything. It's fine the way it is. I'm going to touch up my edges and see between now and me touching up my edges if anything forms up, and you'll see it in the close-up. So be right back. Okay, everyone. So I've fixed up my edges. I have scraped all my drips already. And as you can see, no new cells popped up. So I only have cells in this bottom wee corner, which is super pretty. And then the rest of the painting, nada, zilch. So obviously it just plays a role on how you blow it out. But just look at that. So like, it's so plain up top and then just cells in the bottom corner. It's so bizarre. I really wish there were more cells. Oh, it's changing the color. See, the closer I go, let's zoom in and do it that way. Because I go too close and then the camera changes the exposure, the color. So I don't know. I love it and I hate it. I don't hate it, but I love the colors. The colors I like. Sorry, I zoomed out too much. There we go. The colors I like. I just wish there was cells in the rest of it. But again, not everybody loves cells. So there will be people out there who really like this piece because the rest of it doesn't have cells. So let's check out the shimmer because there's got to be shimmer in this one. All right, so the flash is on. And yeah, it's definitely going to shine because all the colors are Arteza colors. And I cannot go too close because it will mess up my color, I guess. Let's see. I feel like it's not bright enough or dark enough in the room and the flash isn't bright enough. But you definitely see what I'm seeing. You see how it changes color? But you get the idea. This whole thing is going to shine. That's for sure. There you have it, everybody. As usual, let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Let me know, do you like that it doesn't have cells? Are you a little disappointed like I am and wish it had cells like it does down here? Do you wish it was up there? What do you think of the colors? I think the colors are great, actually. I really like how that yellow pops out a lot. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it for those of you who are not subscribed. And that is it for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.